Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to transfer data from one sheet to another sheet in Excel. Okay, for example, we are writing something in these fields, and by pressing this save data we will transfer that data to this second sheet. Okay, to this sheet. Let's check it. Okay, first of all we will apply it. Let's, for example, 23 August, then 23, and product name, category, quantity, and rate 500. Okay, so now let's check it. Okay, just make it like this, and by pressing this save data we will transfer the data to the second sheet. Okay, let's check it now. See, the data has transferred to this sheet. Okay, and also again if we insert another record, so that will come here. Okay, now let's to do it, how we can perform this operation. So let's first of all in this input fields, in this cell, first I will write the date, for example, then the name, quantity, and rate. Just these four things. Okay, I will write these four things. Let's add some design to this. I will format it like this, all border, and let's create a button. But before button, let's copy this data. How many fields you have? Okay, but I wrote just these four. Okay, just to show you how to do it, how many fields you have, so you can insert them. Let's create another sheet, and I will paste that data here. Okay, come here to the first of all let's copy this data. Okay, this header. After copying, just come here and paste special, transpose it. Okay, press OK. The data has transposed. Now let's move to back sheet 3, and here we want to write some data. Control C, and the date, name, for example, mouse, quantity 3, 150. Let's create a button, but before button, what we want to transfer this data to that sheet. Okay, so for that let's first of all we will move to view tab. Okay, in the view tab we will come here to the macros, then we will record a macro. Okay, so after recording a macro, what we will do, we will copy this data that we has written. Okay, copy this data, Control C. After copying, come here to the sheet 4 and press here. Okay, under from this header, press here. We should copy this data using here. Okay, copy. Okay, come here to the sheet 4, then paste special, transpose, press OK. After pasting the data, what we will do, then select this row. Okay, after selecting this row, come here to the top to the insert and insert sheet row. Okay, after inserting that, let's remove this color, no color, and let's delete this data and click here back. Now let's stop our macro, view macros, stop recording. So that is okay. Okay, now let's create a button. So to create a button, come here to the insert, to the shapes, take this shape and create a shape, write data inside that, save data, home, to the center, Control B, add a shape format. It's like this. So now let's assign macro to this. Okay, right click on this. After the assign macro, we will assign macro to, press OK. So now let's write the data. So in sheet 4 we have just one record. Okay, press save button. Let's check it. See, the second record has inserted successfully. Okay, so this is how we can do it. Okay, to insert data from one sheet to another sheet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.